10. Shop the Beauty Critic.
Kelsey's Valentine's Day glow? Hey guys, it's Andi the Beauty Critic. In this video, we'll be scoring the 2/1/19 post from Kelsey Simone titled Perfect for Valentine's Day. Is this the perfect Valentine's Day date look, or should this look be worn alone? Well, I have my notepad here ready to assess. You guys be sure to assess in the comment section below. And now let's get into the post. Okay, so my overall assessment of Kelsey's makeup aesthetic is that it's very soft, clean beauty. It's very much so the I woke up like this, no makeup look. She also states in the post that she loves her Laura Mercier product. Don't we all? Who doesn't love Laura Mercier? In the comment section below, you guys tell me your favorite Laura Mercier product. But now let's use the power of photo editing to analyze the image and see if Laura Mercier came through. Okay, so when I first look at the image, the main thing that I noticed is this isn't your typical Valentine's Day bold lip, smoky eye makeup aesthetic. It's more of a softer approach when it comes to Valentine's Day makeup. I believe on Valentine's Day, your makeup should reflect confidence, whether it be soft or glam makeup. And just me looking at the image, she looks pretty confident. In terms of the skin, I love the fact that her foundation is laid extremely soft, so a lot of her skin shows through. It's quite refreshing to see more sheer coverage foundation applications. Thank you. She also has beautiful skin and her freckles look magical in this image. She also chose a monochromatic look where all of the colors are in that same tone. For this look, I feel as though the volumized lash really saves the look. Without the volumized lash, I feel as though this image could read extremely flat, but the lashes give the eye some focus. I also appreciate that the brows are not your typical cut brows. However, I wish the brows were defined just a hair more. So my score is 10 for this Valentine's Day look. Aside from the minor brow issue, all of the elements are there. Yeah, guys, so that's my score for the post. In the comment section below, leave your 10s if you agree with me, leave your chops if you don't, subscribe, and get ready to analyze the next post starting now.